Greetings to all. Giving a feedback to such a knowledgeable, inspiring senior practitioner is a difficult task, but he deserves each and everything. This workshop of practice management, the word is simply two words but means a lot to our own practices. This is just an amazing workshop, an eye opener which will tell you like how a 1 rupee discount also is going to affect your pockets well, how we should bargaining patience to convert into a negotiation. There is like much more. How is a Pareto principle affecting us? What is the things? How our goal should be? How we should be motivated? Then there's a very nice concept which sir taught us is role rehearsal and role reversal to tackle with the medium and high ticket patients. It is a very good idea of his which he has put in. His knowledge is beyond our imagination, and what he has been teaching us is simply amazing. Each assignment, each self-assessment question is next level. Heads off, sir, for such an amazing efforts you have put for sharing your knowledge. I highly recommend this course, and I simply believe that it will change your mindset as you are done with it. Thanks a lot, sir. You are the best.